Hello, I'm Ahmed Shukri, founder of the Decisions Academy, and I'm here to help you to make great life-changing decisions. Today, we all feel uncertain and in doubt, trying to figure out where we are heading. Now it's the perfect time to rethink our strategies and reflect on our big life decisions. By joining this course, you'll learn how to make big life decisions, understand where you're standing, where you're going, and how to decide in such tough times. Anchor system thinking is an innovative approach for life, problem solving, and decision making. If you're thinking of making a big life decision, starting a relationship, ending a relationship, moving to a new city, buying a new home, pursuing your dreams, quitting your job, applying for a new job, choosing your college, switching college, or moving away from college, then this is the course for you. I'm happy to announce that the course is now open and closes on the 7th of May. See you at the Decisions Academy.